What's up guys, so it's Marisabel and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be wearing this helmet this whole entire time in this video. Okay, that would be weird anyways. It's really uncomfortable. But I do have something new to put on the Z right here. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. But first things first, let's take this. Okay guys, so here we got a new product for the 370 and it is from Marisabel. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Can you guys guess what it is? Wait. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not no carbon fiber fender. It's like, I'm kidding. Alright guys, so for real. Ta-ta-ta! Let me give you guys a better look of this. So these are door handles. I know it's pretty dark in here. Sorry. I'm just gonna bring you guys to the light real quick. So we got another one here. And then here is the actual door handle itself right when you guys own the 370. I think it's supposed to go this way. Right. Ooh, you see that? It's honeycomb. All perfect right there. So this goes really well actually with my mirror caps, and I think I installed this back in December, I believe. Light hits, you guys can see it, I think like right there. You guys can see the actual honeycomb outline. All right, so what I'm gonna do is the driver's side, and here's the driver's side. So what I have here is some alcohol, some cotton balls, and 3M tape right here. These actually do not have 3M tape. Oh, I forgot to show you guys also the back dry honeycomb. So what I'm gonna do here is clean this off, make sure all the dirt, dust, you know, anything that's on here is clear so the 3M tape can stick here. As you can see, I get nervous and I start just messing up. That's me being nervous. The button that we have here to unlock and lock the car. Trying to see if I could find something black to put over this, just so when I slap these, you don't see the silver, because honestly, it kind of bothers me, just a little bit. I have a little bit of issues. I don't want to see no silver. It looks actually fire, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna slap it on just like this. Oh! Alright, so let's go ahead and clean this door handle with some alcohol. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you're new, because I know you're watching, you're just not subscribing. Give your girl a like, it's super hot. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. Put some alcohol on this cotton ball. And we're just gonna clean this like that. Look, see, it was dirty. Wow, I'm not gonna lie, that kinda looks clean now. Oh, we have like a little sticker maybe.
A smiley face?
No, a black sticker. But then again, I don't know if it's gonna look tacky. It is when they probably go up close.
Who the hell's going up close to your door?
People be like, oh, what is that? Honeycomb?
That's some weird people.
You guys definitely go up close to people's car and be like, what is that? Let's be for real. That's true, because this lays over. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, it does lay over it.
Yeah.
So we gotta put tape right here, right there in this little crease, and on the actual cover. I don't know, I think, okay, I think we got this. Put one strip here, just one strip there. I don't want to put too much and then it like kind of pops out.
So put 2.
Right. No, I mean like, I say 2 like this and like that.
Yeah.
Okay. This is how it's looking. Ooh. To not overlay the tape like out here or too close to the corner, because if you do and you try to push it on the car, it's gonna most likely show. like the tape itself, and you don't want that. Voila. Y'all ready for this? Okay, let's turn around here. I'm kind of scared because once I put this on, I can't take it off. Nah, I'm kidding. I can, but
Send it.
wait. You guys can't even see me. Look. Okay.
Should go from the corner first. Start at the corner.
It's just I can't see properly. No,
Take it out.
I don't think I did it right.
You want me to try it?
Well, we all know that's gonna stick good. You know what it is?
Well,
Should I, I think I gotta like do corner to corner or something.
that's what I was just saying.
But like if I put it too high up, you see, like then the bottom shows
Let me see.
too much. That's the thing. Like,
You gotta remember, it's not gonna be 100% perfect.
I know, but I really don't want too much silver like on one side and none on the other.
Alright, let me take a look.
So it's like. I mean, okay, maybe there would be better.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard because there's no proper like lighting.
It's not gonna be 100% perfect.
Like it's not gonna line up.
Nah, not 100%. You're still gonna see silver regardless.
That's what I don't want.
The only way you're not gonna see silver, obviously, like I told you, is by wrapping this black, then putting this over it. Then you won't see it because it's black.
True, it's like an illusion.
Pretty much.
But I think this is fine. It's good? This side? It's good? Yeah? Okay. Ah, shit! Okay. That looks so much better though.
Sound like a big turbo car.
I don't know what that is.
Video.
Huh?
I
I'm pretty sure how I did.
Yeah.
It feels so smooth. Gosh. Alright, let's do this big portion. So that should be good. Yeah, like it? I like it. That's good. Not sit.
So cut out. Wait. And I try to put like a small dab right here. A small dab here. That's it. If you leave it here and not here, it's gonna be uneven. So
Yeah.
cut that and then put a little dab right
So
here.
nothing
Nah.
here.
Nah.
So take here.
Yeah.
Nothing here.
No, like, you can do here.
Oh, that's it.
That's it.
I'll cut this. Okay. Alright, guys. I like this. It's nice. We're sitting flush. Let's see when we open the door. Pretty good. So, now today we're going to put the other side of this honeycomb door handle on the 370. And I did this the other night. Couldn't really see it, but like I said, I'm going to bring the car out so we can really see how this looks in the daylight. So I finished installing both of the door handles, passenger and driver side, my honeycomb door handles, and check that out. Look how nice that looks. Get super close to that. You see the little honeycomb specs right there. in. The door opens fine. Closes fine. So drop in the comments below. Once again, what do you guys prefer? Honeycomb, carbon fiber, or forge? The only thing I don't like, and I'll be very honest, is that for the 370s, for some reason right here, there's no way of kind of covering this silver part, because our door handles, all of them are just silver. So it's like, it just sticks out. I mean, for now, for me, it does match my car because my car is silver. I just won't put too much mind to it, because if I do that, I'm gonna go crazy. But if you guys are looking for this same product or any carbon fiber or forge for your 370Z, go ahead, shop beamervault.net. Use my code Marisabel for 10% off. Thank you to Beamervault for sponsoring this video. So make sure to like this video, comment down below, carbon fiber, honeycomb, or forge, what is your favorite?